Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're bringing you the top 5 best camping rocking chairs, perfect for adding that little extra relaxation to your outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping by the lakeside, at a cozy campfire, or just stargazing, comfort is key. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list is the GCI Freestyle Rocker. If you want a solid camping chair, the GCI Freestyle Rocker, which has an aluminum frame, makes an excellent option. The spring-loaded shocks allow for smooth rocking when you want, but it also sits stationary for those times when you're eating one of the best camping meals around the fire. But this chair isn't just convenient, it's also super comfortable. I sat comfortably in this chair for hours way longer than you probably would on a camping trip and would have no problem hauling it to the campsite or other outdoor get-togethers. While the Freestyle Rocker makes a great addition to your campsite or backyard fire pit, it's a bit heavy for any trip that requires a significant amount of walking to base camp, and the removable Velcro armrests don't provide much cushion or stay in place. The chair does fold up conveniently, but the Freestyle Rocker's folded size is too large to consider packing. But for everything within a short walking distance, this chair is my go-to. Next up, we have the GCI Sunshade Rocker. If the forecast calls for sunny days, or your campsite could use a few more trees, you'll want the Sunshade Rocker to make your trip that much more enjoyable. This rocker was one of the more comfortable chairs in my test, and one of the easiest to pack, even with the collapsible sunshade. It also comes with a carry bag, and folding the chair up takes minimal time or effort. And the Sunshade Rocker isn't so heavy that I wouldn't take it to camp even if I had a long walk. Because this chair packs easily, it's a great, versatile option that you can use at camp, your kids' little league games, or backyard barbecues. While the Sunshade provides great cover for your head, it doesn't do much for your torso and even less for your legs. But it's still better than no shade at all. And these are minor drawbacks when you consider everything else that the chair does so well. Moving on to our third pick, the Helinox Chair 1 and Rocking Feet. If you want a little luxury on your next remote camping trip, the Helinox Chair 1 can provide the added touch you're looking for. At just over 2 pounds, even with the carry bag, this chair is insanely light and durable. It also has a weight capacity of 320 pounds, which is better than all the chairs in this review except the Ozark Trail. But unlike other chairs I tested, the Chair 1 comes with a 5-year warranty, which you'll want because this chair is also the most expensive on this list. Especially when you throw in the rocking feet, which you have to purchase separately. And while you can buy multiple of the other options for the total price of this chair, none of them come close to packing down like the Chair 1. Even though this chair has a minimalist design, it's also comfortable enough to use for shorter camping trips or even other outdoor functions, especially if you don't want to lug around a huge folding chair. So while the initial price might seem steep, its versatility and Helinox's 5-year warranty make it an appealing option. Our fourth pick is the Kelty Loveseat. If you're camping with multiple people and want to feel right at home, the Kelty Loveseat is plenty comfortable for 2 people to sit in thanks to its low-to-the-ground architecture and a slightly reclined back panel. The durable, powder-coated steel frame pops together in seconds, and the 600D polyester comes with quilted padding to further amp the comfort level. Each camper also gets an adjustable armrest with an insulated, adjustable beverage holder. The chair also won us over in its simple-to-use, carry-wrap design, which surrounds the chair once it's been folded up, allowing you to nestle in other items inside before pulling the adjustable straps tight and carrying it on a padded, adjustable shoulder strap, no fussing with tight-fitting, bag-style carrying cases. Last but certainly not least, we have the Kijaro dual-lock camping chair, originally our runner-up. We bumped this chair to the best overall spot after a second round of testing by T+L's outdoor gear editor Taylor Fox. Unlike lesser camp chairs, the Kijaro dual-lock folding chair locks into position to ensure that it'll never collapse on you, which was the main reason it stood out to Fox when placed head-to-head against the winners from our initial test. The fully upright chair is easy to set up, and once you locate the lock, it's easy to collapse and store in the included carrying bag, though the bag only has 1 strap, so you can't wear it as a backpack. Weighing in at 9 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some competitors, but that trade-off affords one of the most stable seating surfaces available, with ample support on the armrests and wide, padded leg tips that provide a secure seat on a variety of mixed terrain. Breathable mesh ripstop poly in the back will stand up to serious abuse. And Kijaro, also packed in loads of add-ons, including 2 cup holders, a zippered pocket, and a mesh pocket. There you have it. Our top 5 best camping rocking chairs to make your next camping trip even more relaxing. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all our latest outdoor gear reviews.